Safety and security are of utmost importance when it comes to Airbnb hosting. In this video, we will be discussing some key safety and security measures that every Airbnb host should consider. 1. Install a reliable lock system. Ensure that your property has a sturdy lock system in place. Consider using smart locks with unique codes for each guest. 2. Provide emergency information. Create a welcome booklet that includes emergency contact numbers, nearby medical facilities, and the nearest police station. Share this information with your guests upon arrival. 3. Conduct thorough guest screenings. Implement a strict guest screening process by verifying their identities and reading reviews from previous hosts. This will help ensure the safety of your property. 4. Install surveillance cameras. Place security cameras in common areas, such as entrances and outdoor spaces. Inform your guests about their presence to maintain transparency. 5. Have clear house rules. Set clear house rules and communicate them to your guests. Include guidelines on noise levels, smoking policies, and any restricted areas to avoid potential hazards. 6. Establish a safety checklist. Create a safety checklist that covers important aspects such as fire safety, first aid kits, smoke detectors, and carbon monoxide alarms. Regularly inspect and maintain these safety features. 7. Create an emergency plan. Have a well-defined emergency plan in place. Include evacuation routes, meeting points, and instructions for handling emergencies like fire, natural disasters, or medical emergencies. 8. Obtain proper insurance coverage. Check with your insurance provider to ensure that you have adequate coverage for your Airbnb property. This will protect you in case of any unforeseen incidents. Remember, safety and security should always be a top priority for Airbnb hosts. By following these measures, you can provide a safe and enjoyable experience for your guests.